Look at that. We just released the swarm. So beautiful. You gotta come sit here. Come here, Heidi. Huh? Look at this. See, they're not doing anything.
I know they don't.
Wow. The beautiful. Wow, look at this.
You're lucky they're not gonna. There's one on your leg there too.
There are bees everywhere right now.
Okay.
Ah, one just went into my ear.
And I hope she finds her way out.
Look at them all entering right now. Heidi Hive coming as major reinforcement.